He's an American from the America. Short 360. Alorica.
Ayos.
Ayos, that's me. Yeah, ayos. The TV is very big and then there's a lion inside. Oh my gosh, it's gonna jump at us.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Where?
It's there in the TV. Oh no, wait. It's oh my gosh. What a lion. No, it's breaking the glass. It's gonna escape. Oh, it likes Junjun. Junjun.
No more.
No more.
You did not see the lion.
Sino? Kanina? Ako may pagka-mongoloid din. Hindi kasi araw-araw kami kumakain ng munggo. Everyday, di ba? So, naging mongoloid na ako. Kami magkakapatid.
Dahil sa munggo.
Oo, munggo.
We're going there. We're going to the park.
Wow.
This is the park, Junjun.
Beautiful. Ola Parade Resto K-Grill 260 4D Theater Museong Kapampangan.
This is
Clark Visitor Center. Wow, look at the park. You know, isang ikot lang ng jogging, no?
Oh,
Isang ikot lang, pwede na yan. Saan na yan?
First stop, first to go. First stop, first to go.
First
stop, you have to stop even if there's no vehicles.
Yes.
Because that's the rules.
That's
here.
the rules here. It's like in the United States of America. The four-way stop is respected, but you have to stop at 0 miles per hour. Yeah.
This one is SMCT, but there's no SM yet.
This one will become
No,
SMCT.
joke.
Pero may SMCT Clark na, di ba?
Dun sa kanto, dun sa...
I have to go to the dancing fountain. I don't want to just go to Manila. I don't like.
We're not.
People. Travel Bus Leisure. Windham Destination. The Pavilion. Boomerang. Cosmic Technologies.
Shows from Talking Tom.
I have to watch TV and watch laptop and I want to put it higher in the bright.
Ducati, no? Clark. Hangover Resto and Amusement Bar.
And to go to SMCT, Clark.
We will go home na.
I don't want to go to Manila.
Why? Because
I don't want to go inside the house.
Why? Why don't you want to
No,
go?
inside, and I want to go inside the mall.
dear.
And to go inside the
Not too much
shopping
metro
mall.
dyan.
It's not closed. It's just at Tito Unilever. It's
What mall? The SM? Or the one we saw earlier? It's closed.
Dad, what is mall?
What is a mall?
Dad, what is a mall?
Bakit?
Dad, what is a mall?
I don't know. A mall is a place where you can buy lots of things, and it's a very, very big.
Angeles City, Mapalacan.